Hi guys, welcome back to Panchita's Corner. Today we are going to be making some waffles. So we are going to be using this Dash Heart Mini Waffle Maker. This is what we're going to use. And we're going to be using the Golden Sweet Pancake Mix from the Keto Candy Girl. Now for this one, all you need is 4 tablespoons of melted butter, 1 cup of sweetened almond milk, 4 large eggs. You're going to mix it in a bowl, combine the dry ingredients, melted butter, milk, and eggs. So here we have our cup of almond milk, 4 tablespoons of butter, which I'm going to be melting, and then 4 eggs. And we're going to be making these keto heart-shaped waffles. So if you guys are interested in getting this, we got this for free through the Very Dice app. The Very Dice app is a game where you roll the dice and then you start accumulating tickets, and then you're able to redeem those tickets for anything that you want. Most of the prices do come from Amazon, so you will get your price within 2 business days because they do ship it through Amazon Prime. They have a lot of stuff on there, so I suggest you guys download the app if you guys are interested in getting this Dash Mini Waffle Maker for free. So stay tuned. We're going to be showing you guys how to make these waffles. Okay, so we're gonna be using this pancake mix from the Keto Candy Girl. This is a keto-friendly, low-carb, no sugar, and all we need is 4 tablespoons of melted butter, 1 cup of almond milk, 4 large eggs. We're gonna mix it in a bowl. Mix it with the fork until batter is smooth, and then we're gonna be pouring it into this nice, cute little heart-shaped mini dash. So this is what we're gonna be using. And I melted my butter. Here's my cup of milk, my 4 eggs. This is what the mix looks like. So we're going to be pouring this in here. We're going to be making the whole bag, and we're going to see how many heart-shaped waffles this makes. Okay. I'm going to be pouring the 4 tablespoons of butter, 1 cup of almond milk. Let me see if I can do this with one hand. I might be able to. 1, 2, 3, 4. So all you do is you take your fork and you're going to mix this all together. And basically you want to make sure you mix this really good. Okay, so you want to go ahead and I'm going to spray it and pour. Dash, and we're going to go ahead and close this up and see how it comes out. So let's take a look. This is what the waffle looks like, and we let it cook for 3 minutes, and it is super cute. See, we have some little heart-shaped waffles. So I'm going to be making the whole batter, and I'm going to let you guys know how many waffles came out of the package. So make sure when you put the mix in there, make sure to not overstuff it, so that way it comes out really nice, and you can see the nice little heart shape instead of it overflowing. So again, another perfectly heart-shaped waffle. Just make sure don't overstuff your. So this is what I have so far. I'm going to be able to make just one more last waffle, and then I like to put the waffles on a rack. This is just a microwave rack that I have. I like to put them on here to let them cool down. That way they cool evenly. Otherwise, if you put it straight to the plate, what's going to happen is the waffle's going to be soggy from the bottom. So you want to get the nice crispy waffle. So put it on a rack first, and then you can start plating your waffles. And I'm using this pancake mix from the Keto Candy Girl. So far I have 15 waffles here. It looks like I'm gonna make you one more here, and I'll be able to make one last one. Okay, so we finished with the waffles, and I was able, these are all the waffles that came out of this mix. It's actually a pancake mix, but I went ahead and used it on my heart mini waffle maker, and it looks like I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 waffles out of that mix. And like I said before, just make sure to put it on any rack. This is just a microwave rack that I put it so that way they can start cooling down. Otherwise, they're going to be soggy from the bottom, and we do not like soggy waffles. So do this trick first before you actually start plating your waffles. This is what I'm going to be eating my waffles with. This is sugar-free whipped cream from Walmart, and also the sugar-free maple syrup from Walmart. And this is what I'm going to be eating. Don't they look so cute? These are delicious. You guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you guys can see more keto recipe. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.